Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. And boy, we got a good one today, ALLG. So this is actually one I traded on Friday, last Friday, right there. It had a great run. This was a SPAC that turned into ALLG, okay? And this is an EV play. So I noticed this after hours yesterday. Notice this area right there, that kind of a mauve area. That is the after hours action. So I was already aware of this one after hours. So I was definitely interested to see what it was going to do today. So this tan area here is the pre-market. So it did pull back a little bit from the pre-market or from the after hours highs. Just give me a moment. I've got to find my chart. Just give me a moment here. There we go. So now noticing that that happened, so I was definitely going to be interested in this. And then this morning they announced that at 9:06 or actually 8:12, I noticed that social media buzz increases on EV charging. This is EV charging, and then right around 9 o'clock, the company announced this. Completion of its merger agreement with Spartan. That was the SPAC. And so the completion, so it's a done deal. So all the elements in place. First of all, noticing it the night before, watching it this morning, checking to see, yes, there was some social media buzz, but then I guess what really got it rolling was the fact that, okay, this merger is absolutely going to be completed. And of course, at this point, this is an all-time high. He's just making all-time high after all-time high. I mean, this ran from, 10 all the way up to $24 before it finally pulled back. This also showed up on my watch list at 10.55. That was the price at 10.55. So what makes the trade great? Well, news. I mean, we're citing a lot, people sort of dismiss news a lot, but some news is more important than others. And when you do see some news like that and you get the social media attention, this is the sort of thing that can happen. So that is what made this trade great. And many in our trading room participated in it. All right, everybody, I want to get back into our room. So any questions for me, there's an email address you can use. I will open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.